Hi there, in this video, I'm going to give you a walkthrough of the new interface that the PiNetwork core team recently released. Now, when you log into your PiNetwork mining app, you will find that it has a new interface, a new way you can see things. They are more clearer. Now, when you look at it, the menu has not really changed. It's the same thing. You can find the home, Mainnet, Pi browser, Pi utilities transfer, and the rest of them. They are still the way they are. I'll go straight to talk about what changes did this new update bring. Now, we'll be taking it one after the other. Now, when you look at the place where you have the number of people mining, when you click on it, it simply opens up to show you a different interface than before. What we're used to seeing is just seeing a lot of names of people, but you don't really see the way it is. Now, the new update added some few graphics to make it more user-friendly. It now shows you the people who are actually mining in your team. They will have the mining logo beside their name. Now, you can also select this to see those that are inactive by simply clicking here, this option here, and you will see when you select the option that says all, it will show you those that are inactive and also those that are mining. So you can now identify people who are actually inactive in your group. If you also need to know those that are actively mining, it's the same process. You go back there and then tap on mining. This shows you every other person that is mining on your team. At the very top here, it shows you the number of people that are mining out of the number of people in your team. Right now, I've got 56 people actively mining out of 501 people. Now, one of the features it has, which was also in the previous app, is that you can actually ping those that are inactive. So to do that, you see where it says ping inactive. You click on it and then you wait for a few seconds. You'll see a notification that tells you that those that are inactive have been notified. But in my own case, I've already notified them. That is why it's giving me a different message that says ping cancelled. Why? You have already pinged inactive members of your referral team recently. You must wait 1 hour before you can ping again, which means I just have 1 hour from the time I'm recording this video to ping the inactive members again. Pinging inactive members simply mean you sending them a notification reminding them to continue mining. Now, when you look at the bottom, you'll see two buttons that says Referral Team Chat and Invite More. Now, invite more simply means that if you need to invite people to join the PiNetwork and be under your own team, so you simply click on Invite More, and then it gives you the option to invite more people. Now, the Referral Chat button simply is, when you click on it, it simply takes you straight to your own chat where all your members or the members of your team will be able to chat among themselves. Now it says create a chat with all referred team members. If you have not done this, I would suggest you clearly do this step by step. So keep watching the video. I'll take you through. Remember, this is a walkthrough. I'll take you through how to properly utilize your mining app. So the next thing you do from here is you click on confirm and then you give it a little bit of time to now set up your chat. Now, as you can see, I already have or had a chat that I created from the old app and it's still running, so I don't need to create it any longer. Now, I'm going to do a separate video to show you how to utilize the chat aspect of the PiNetwork app more efficiently. But right now, let me take you back to the new updates that have been made. So we go back to the home screen. From here, let's see if we can find the next update. Now, I'm going to tap on the mining button, which will bring us right here. So right here, nothing has changed. It's still giving us the mining calculations, how many minutes or hours are left from your mining time. So I'll go back. Now, the next update is actually found from the PiNetwork browser. This is how I'm going to do it. I'm going to activate the Pi browser from my mining app. So I simply click on the menu, then I select Pi browser. It will now ask me to either install it or to log in. I've already installed it, so I'm going to say sign in to Pi browser. So once I click that, it's going to automatically call up my Pi browser and then open up the app. So if you have not installed your Pi browser, I suggest this is the perfect time you need to install your Pi browser. Now, once you're here, I'll click on my wallet and I'll go ahead to log into my wallet. Remember, guys, we have discussed a lot about wallet, and I've told you that the fastest way for you to remember your passphrase is to actually lock it up with either the Face ID or the fingerprint. Now, I locked up mine with my Face ID, so let me unlock. Now, after unlocking with Face ID, you can notice that the interface has changed from the previous one that we're used to. Now, this new interface, the PiNetwork core team has made it a lot easier for you now to use. Now, I suggest you pay attention to what I'm showing you, because once the open mainnet happens, you do not need anyone to start taking you through on how to do this. So if you're confused a little bit, just rewind the video and then come back to it. Now, if you need to send or to receive Pi from anybody, the buttons are now very simple. All you need to do is to click on where it says pay/request. Once you click there, it will ask you to key in the contact. That's the wallet address that you intend to send or to receive from. Now, this is the update that the PiNetwork included, which is the scan or show QR code. Once you click on this scan QR code, it will ask you to allow app to use your camera. When you click allow, it will now open up your camera, of which you can now use this to scan the QR code of the next person. But if you're the one that is receiving the Pi, all you simply need to do is from the top here where it says scan my code and add contact, you click on my code. It shows you the QR code. This QR code belongs to you. This QR code is carrying your wallet address. So all you need to do is you show the person your QR code and the other party scans your QR code. Once the other party scans your QR code, it will automatically register your wallet address into his wallet. You can as well come down here to share your QR code with anyone. So once you click on that, you can notice at the top here that the wallet address has appeared. The options you now have when you have done this is either to copy it or to save to file. So when you do that, you can easily share to anybody that under your contacts or any app that you intend to send it to. The next update is where you can actually add contact. It says to add contact, you show this code to a friend. Add your friend's wallet address in order for you to send and request Pi at a glance. So you don't need to actually every time send your wallet address to a friend. Once your friend has scanned your QR code or you have scanned a QR code, you can now save it as a contact. So when you need to send money or send Pi to that particular wallet, all you need to do is just to select it from your contact list within your wallet. You can as well add another contact from here where it says add new. Once you click on add new, it gives you this interface where you would title the wallet and then you paste the contact wallet address. When you paste it here, you click on add. This will automatically save the wallet address of the recipient, which means you do not need to go back copying and pasting all over again. It will be saved as a contact. The next one is where it says manually add wallet address. So when you click on this, what happens is the old way we've been doing it before. You just copy the recipient address, that's the wallet address. You paste it here and then you go ahead to either send or request Pi from your friend. Now those are the new updates that the PiNetwork has released for both the mining app and your wallet. So please pay attention to the walkthrough. If you are confused of any of the steps that I've just shown, just go over the video and watch it again. If you have any questions, please don't forget to leave it in the comment section. And also, if you're new to this channel, please hit the subscribe button Don't forget to also ring the bell, the notification bell, so that you get notified each time I release a new video. Also give a thumbs up if this video was useful to you. Don't forget to share to other pioneers so that they can actually get value the same way you got value from this video. Until my next video, keep mining.